In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Clickfunnels in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to capture leads or promote a new product, a well-designed landing page is an essential part of your online marketing strategy. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Clickfunnels account. If you're not yet familiar with Clickfunnels, it's a platform designed to simplify the process of creating sales funnels, landing pages, and much more. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you'll see several options. To begin building your funnel, click on the Funnels menu, then select Build Funnel. You'll see an option to Create New Funnel. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to select a goal for your funnel. Here, you have several options such as collect emails, sell products, or another goal depending on your marketing objectives. Think about what you want to achieve with this landing page. If you're looking to grow your email list, for example, collect emails could be the right choice. Once you've set your goal, you'll need to decide on the type of funnel that aligns with it. ClickFunnels offers different types of funnel structures, including sales funnel and landing page funnel. Choose the one that suits your goal best. If you're focusing on gathering leads, a landing page funnel might be ideal, whereas if you're looking to close sales, a sales funnel might be appropriate. Now, it's time to select a template from the library. ClickFunnels provides a wide array of customizable templates to choose from. As you browse through, look for a design that resonates with your brand and communicates your message effectively. Once you've found the right template, select it to start editing. With your template ready, click Edit Page to open the drag and drop editor. This is where the real customization happens. Feel free to add various elements such as headlines, images, buttons, forms, and videos. Each component plays a crucial role in guiding your visitors to take the desired action. Customization doesn't stop there. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to align with your branding. These small tweaks can make a big difference in maintaining consistency and capturing the attention of your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements until you find one that works best. After you've customized your page, it's crucial to save your changes. Click the Save button and then preview your page to see how it will appear to your visitors. This is your chance to make any final adjustments and ensure everything is working as it should. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click Publish to make your landing page live. With that, your page is all set to start attracting visitors and driving conversions. Thanks for watching and happy funnel building.